Hello. We are back. Anyways, we're gonna be doing Minecraft, Fortnite, and more games. We might do if you guys want. We'll be probably doing that. We'll be doing Minecraft videos at least when we hit 5 subs, and I'm at 4 right now. So get one person to sub to me, and then we will be doing Minecraft videos. And then when I'm at like 10 subs, Fortnite's coming along. So get me to this. If you guys want to see the best content in the world, keep doing this. Get the subs up. I'll be watching every day. Do your job. Get the subs up. 1 more until Minecraft videos. Then after that, 5 more until Fortnite comes along. That's all I had to say today. So hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, peace.